Okay, this is a quick nighttime bonus video. I want to be in bed about 11:30 because I have to leave for about 8 in the morning to go do the surprise video tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. This is a bonus video Thursday night. I was about to go live, but I go, that's a little too late to go live. So I'm going to do a bonus video based on something that someone asked me just now. Now, this will probably be long enough. I could do it as one of my videos, my long form videos that come out, which come out once again on Sunday for Monday. Well, let's go with the days because I don't know what day I actually shoot. I have one video comes out on Monday, two come out on Tuesday, one comes out on Thursday, and one comes out on Saturday. So 5 videos a week. That might be a little heavy. I don't know. When I first started, they said to do that, and I got a big boost because I was brand new. So people said they would see the video, they go, well, I need to lose some weight too. And they go, look, they go, oh, this guy lost 108 pounds. How'd he do it? I wanted the second video will tell me. And in the first video, I said, hey, don't forget the next video. This is video number 1. This is video number 2. And I used to number the videos because I had so few. Now I think I have like 600 videos. Is it? I don't know, maybe I have 6,000 videos. I don't even know. I have a lot of videos. And we're pushing forward to hit 4 million views, but the glitch has really hit us hard. A lady said we would be at 4 million by mid-April. Now it's the beginning of March. We're 5 days into March. Yeah, still 5 days into March. Tomorrow will be 6. So we are hitting wall on that. Boom. We just have not been growing at all. Every single one of our categories is down. I didn't know that. I'll do a short tomorrow about that. But if you look at all your numbers, the glitch, the YouTube view count glitch only was affecting view count. Now my subscribers, my view hours, all of that stuff, every single number is down. And there's no reason for that. Why would it suddenly be down? Everything, my earnings are down. Everything's down. Everything's down. People say, well, you don't make much money on the channel anyhow, do you? What you do is you get your check. You'll get a check once a month as long as you're over $100, and usually I'll get that. I'll hit that $100 at least, and that's $1,200 a year. Because well, that's nothing. $1,000. Yeah, but if you found $1,200 in a suitcase, you say, woohoo, $1,200. I'm gonna go to the casino and gamble, whatever it is. Buy lottery tickets. You'd be very excited. But remember, I don't make the money from the channel itself. I make the money either from collaborations. People want to place ads now on my channel. That wouldn't be me, and it has to be something that I would think is good. If it's something that's bad, I won't put it. I did have a bad experience with a company, and I've given them until a week. Today, I told them if you don't fix it by Thursday, they keep saying we're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. Well, this happened like I think my channel had. It's monetizing. I monetized really quickly. I don't even know how many views I had. Or whatever. It was long ago. But to hit 4 million, or we're over 3 million, I just did a video about growing to 4 million. But to be over 3 million with this glitch, that glitch is probably costing me maybe 1 million. Probably about 1 million views. About maybe a fourth of what I'm trying to hit right now, which is 4 million. This has been going on now for over 2 years. My channel is now, I started it in August, and now it is March, so August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. My channel is now 3 years and 7 months old. That's all it is. It hasn't been 4 years yet. But I'm not getting those views. Those views are never going to come back. If they place those views back on, boy, I'm over 4 million because I've lost that many views. It is not there. They're just not there. You could put a video that's really, really good, and you don't realize it's really good. Just something. Your video has to be something people want to say. You might say, "Look at this! Remember that guy from Addams Family?" Or something like that. And people say, "Well, I remember that guy. Hey, look, do you remember?" And everybody starts sharing the video of a guy with a light bulb in his mouth, talking about Addams Family, and all of a sudden, you just never know what's going to hit. So if I do like cat video, food, a taste test, a cooking video, a guy with a light bulb in his mouth, and I see the light bulb in his mouth, it's like, whoop, 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 a number of views. I think, what is that? It just might be a good video. I might say, they did put those views back on. They load them all onto the channel. Onto the video of the guy with the light bulb in his mouth. They did put them back finally. Well, thank you. They finally put them on. Great. No, you just haven't hit a good video. Something that people were interested in at that time. Some of the ones I've done about, like Cuba and that kind of stuff will hit. There'll be better numbers of viewers than the other ones. It doesn't mean that the missing views have come back. They're never coming back, but all my numbers are low. So I was talking to a lady. We weren't arguing. We weren't fighting. We weren't, on guard. We were just talking about channels. She too has a channel. Is that proper English? I don't know. She too has a channel. It sounds very official, like, greetings, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Or something. But she has a channel, and she was saying that about hitting 4 million. And she said, well, David, your channel is really big. And I said, my channel is still considered small. And I'm considered a micro influencer. That's if I get something, if I do get something, I'm trying to get it out of room. my mouse doesn't have a room to hit the website. Oh, there it goes. But yeah, so when it comes to, if someone wants me to advertise for them, or not really advertise for them, but do a collaboration, it would be based on micro influencers. That'd be the size I'm at. 16,500 subscribers, 3 point whatever million views, this many view hours. I'd be considered micro, not macro, which is big. Not John McEnroe. He would always yell and have red curly hair. Yeah. So she said, well, like I was talking about the Jeebus family, or the treasure hunting with Jeebus. That's one of his channel, and the other channel he has is the Jeebus family. And so this is strictly look at views, not subscribers. His subscriber rate's low too. He has a lot more subscribers than I do, but his channel's so huge. Those who view, his subscriber rate is low. YouTube tells him, like they told me, hey, your subscriber rate's pretty low. Percentages. So he might have millions and millions and millions of people that are watching his videos, but they're not, closing the deal on subscribing. It's free. Why not? I don't know the reason not to subscribe to something. Do they think they're gonna? I think they think they're gonna get a lot of spam. Really, I think all you get is when you have when you open your YouTube, you have all the different little. You can go to your channel, then you click on the YouTube button for YouTube itself. There's your channel, then there's YouTube, and you have all the little tiles there or thumbnails of all these different videos that are available. And you might see one David Gardner's video on there because you're a subscriber to David Gardner. If I subscribe to you, I click mine on, and I'll see your video, and I'll click on it. So don't forget, if you subscribe to my video, or you subscribe to my channel, let me know so I can return the favor and subscribe to yours. But so let's look at Jeebus. My best video ever, my best video, my top video, 13,000 and a few views. Okay, in over 3 years. I got 13,000 something on that in 3 years. In 1 hour or 2 hours, 1 or 2 hours on his, 25,000, 30,000, 50,000 or more in 1 or 2 hours. In the first couple of hours, it's out. That's the difference. That's the size difference. The monetization difference, he's making probably millions. I don't know what they're told. They did a video before. They did a video about making a video and where they get their money, because they get money from YouTube, and they're also monetized on Facebook, and I think maybe they're monetized on Instagram. I don't know, but I know they're monetized at least on Facebook and YouTube. But that's the difference. In 2 hours, he might make in 2 days, maybe make more than I have altogether. Maybe less than that. It might be less than that. I think it is probably less than that. Maybe in 1 day, his one video in 1 day will do more than all of my channel did in 3 years and 7 months, over 3.5 years. So that's the difference. So he's mega, I'm micro. He does all kinds of different stuff too. He's more now doing treasure hunting and whatnot. Before it was, storage unit treasures. Storage unit treasure type stuff within the storage unit. Bring his family to some traveling and all that. Maybe eating some dinner and talking about his baby. Which, if I had a little baby, I'd talk about my baby too. And I like to eat a steak. Do I go to? Where's he going all the time? I don't know, whatever that steakhouse is, Longhorn, whatever it is. He goes there. I might go to I don't know, Outback Steakhouse or something. Maybe I don't think I have that steakhouse he goes to. But we both have to watch our carbs and watch our calories and watch our weight, because we want to be healthy for ourselves and for our family, especially him with a little baby. Has to be really healthy for that for that baby. But that's the difference. The huge him, very small me. Now, if you have a brand new channel and yours is just starting, and you see me with almost, well, not almost, they were saying I'm almost gonna hit 4 million, but I may never hit 4 million. But with me, 3,180,000, whatever it is, views and 16,500. If you're trying to get to your first 1,000, you see this guy's got 16,500. That's big. No, that's bigger. You could easily pass me, and you probably will. If you have a good channel, a good niche, you'll pass me, and that's fine. I'm not angry at you. I don't really know if you want to subscribe to me. I'll definitely subscribe to you, help you grow your channel. But yeah, that's the difference. So she was saying that she gets frustrated because her channel's so small and mine's so big. I said, don't look at that. I don't look at Mr. Beast or Jeebus or any of these ones where they. I've been watching that Ruby Slots. I used to work in Las Vegas. I'm making movies, or I'm sorry, making commercials, and program. I can't really talk too much about it, but I made some stuff over there in Las Vegas. Nevada. It was considered Nevada, but not that Las Vegas is not Nevada, but Nevada is not Las Vegas, and Las Vegas is not Nevada. It's just, but yeah. So Ruby Slots, where some of these people will have these videos, and I don't know if Mr. Beast gets 1 million views in the first couple of hours. We can look that up. You look it up, put it in the comment section. Yes, David, it says that Mr. Beast has had some videos that have been over 1 million views in the first, let's say, half a day. I'm sure he has. I'm sure in 6 hours, 12 hours, he's gone over 1 million views on his most recent videos. If he decided to do something like this, so, hey guys, it's the 5th of March, and I'm going to be on vacation. I'm not going to make any videos for the next 14 days. But come back and see me in 14 days, and maybe you can sign up for a reminder. Maybe he has a little calendar thing that puts it on your calendar for you to watch that. And he also puts on his premiere. You can put a premiere for a video of when it's gonna roll out, and I'm sure that video would have 1 million people watching it. I mean, maybe not in the first hour, but I'm sure that happens. But my channel's not that big, so don't look at my channel. Look at your channel. What can you do? And I don't know what to do. I can't tell me what should I do. I think you just need to make good content. And some of my stuff, I think people will like this. Like, in fact, right now, I have one about acting. Someone's asked me some questions about acting, about what to do, and it's got 2 views. Who knew? Who knew? A lot of people said they wanted to talk about that, discuss that, watch that. 2 people watched it. And I could say, oh, maybe they didn't like it. But they'd have to watch part of it to determine they don't like it. They'd have this click. They can't. How do they know they don't like it if they don't click on? So they're not even clicking on. Yeah, and that video will probably go down as a dud. Other times, I'll go and I'll film some Christmas lights with my camera at nighttime, with my little selfie stick tripod combination, and it hits. The kiddies on the shorts. I'm talking about long-term videos. That's what I'm talking about. His long-term videos will get 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 in the first 1 or 2 hours. My best one, 13,000 something in over 3.5 years. That's the difference. So don't forget, please give me your comments. Do you have a channel? If you have a channel, let me know what it is. Maybe I can say, hey, look at this channel. This channel's good. But I'll have to go see your channel first. I'm not gonna say your channel's good. I might say, hey, there's a channel out there and it's called, Johnny likes to eat alfalfa, and I think that's interesting. Johnny eats alfalfa, but if I don't watch it and see it and like it, they'll say, I like that, man. That Johnny guy eating that alfalfa sure is funny, or boy, he sure is getting some health benefits out of that alfalfa. I don't know. So please give me your comments. Please like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel. Boop, 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 boop. Hit that subscribe button. Boop, 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 boop. I dare you to hit that subscribe button and get my numbers up. I'm going to put this out right now. I'm going to go ahead and make a little thumbnail and shoot it out real quick. It doesn't really have much of a title. Maybe, yep, I'm still small or something like that. Big guy is still small or something like that. I'm a big guy and I'm still small. I'm big and small. I don't know. Something. I'll figure it out. Take care.